Did you know that over 90% of people who start learning a new language give up because of common mistakes? Yeah, but don't worry, I'm here to help you avoid those mistakes so you can actually succeed. And if you are new here, hi, I'm Maria Fielding. I'm from Brazil and I have been living in the United States since 2016. So I know what it's like to learn a new language. I've made my fair share of mistakes, but I've also learned how to avoid them. And now I'm here to help you. Learning a new language is exciting, but it's also a challenge. If you keep making the same mistakes, it can feel frustrating and slow you down. So let's talk about the 4 biggest mistakes that stop people from learning and how you can fix them. Mistake number 1, too much grammar. Grammar is important, but if you focus too much on it, you'll never start speaking. A lot of people get stuck trying to make perfect sentences instead of just talking. But guess what? Even native speakers make mistakes. So instead of worrying about every little grammar rule, just speak and learn as you go. Mistake number 2, not speaking enough. Many learners spend hours reading and listening, but are too shy to speak. The best way to learn is to talk as much as possible, even if you make mistakes. So find a language partner, talk to yourself in the mirror, or use a language app that lets you practice speaking. Mistake number 3, memorizing words wrong. Do you try to memorize long lists of words? That's a mistake. If you don't learn words in real sentences, you forget them fast. So instead of learning apple, the word apple by itself, learn it in a sentence. I like eating apples. This way, your brain remembers it better. Mistake number 4. This is the biggest mistake. Fear of mistakes. This is the biggest mistake that stops people from learning a language. If you are too scared to make mistakes, you will never practice. And if you don't practice, you will not improve. So think of how babies learn. Do they worry about mistakes? No, they try, fail, and learn. You should do the same. So now let's just recap. The 4 mistakes you need to avoid are too much grammar focus, not speaking enough, memorizing words the wrong way, and being afraid to make mistakes. I've made these mistakes too when I was learning English, and I still make those mistakes. But trust me, I get it. Have you made any of these mistakes? Let me know in the comments and check out my other videos for more language tips. I'll see you next time. And remember, it's about immersion, not perfection. Bye!